Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, alarms can remind you of specific tasks or activities throughout the day, such as starting dinner, picking up children from school, or attending meetings. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first of all, please open the clock application on your device. Then here, you can select the alarm. After that, click Add here. Then you can set the time you want. So, you can also set the alarm working day you need. After that, in this section, you can add the title of your alarm. Okay, and then here you can set the alarm sound as you wish. Next, you can also activate the alarm vibration. And finally, you can also set the repetition and durations of your alarm here. But if you want to customize the background, you can set it here. After finishing, so click Save. And now your alarm is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.